My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Skoda Octavia. This vehicle has done just under 78,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. On the right, we have driver assist, automatic headlights, and our keyless ignition. Moving on to our screen, we can access smartphone integration, radio and media, navigation, our vehicle settings, our assist systems, users, smart link, and manuals. On the second page, we can access shop, legal, and offers. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.